guys! Welcome back to my channel, Ms. Robelot's Corner. Right now, you are watching Ms. Robbie's Classroom, and I'm Ms. Robbie. And today is episode 6 of our Mastering IELTS series, Expert Grammar. If you missed the previous episodes, check out the playlist at the description below. In this video, we will discuss grammar concepts. And first off in our series is about the present tense and its various forms, the present simple, present continuous, and stative verbs. Let's get started. The present tense. The present tense generally describes actions or situations that are happening right now, or that happen regularly. You have three forms: the present simple, present continuous, and stative verbs. Let's talk about the present simple. We use the present simple when we are talking about regular repeated actions, routines, and habits, and talking about a permanent situation. I eat breakfast every morning. She works at the library. The sun rises in the east. To form the present simple, for most verbs, we use the base form of the verb. We add s or es for third person singular, like he, she, or it. Example: they work. It works. To form the present simple in negative form, we use do not or don't and does not or doesn't, plus the base form of the verb. Example: they don't work. It doesn't work. To form questions with the present simple, we use do or does, plus the subject, plus the base form of the verb. Examples: do they work? Does it work? Note that do or does depends on the subjects of the sentence, whether it's singular or plural. Now for the present continuous, which is also known as the present progressive. The present continuous tense is used for actions that are happening at the moment of speaking, or for temporary actions. For example, I'm eating breakfast right now. She is working at the library today. The kids are playing in the park. To form the present continuous, we use the present form of the verbs to be am, is, are, plus the base form of the verb, plus the ing. For example, I'm working. They are working. It is working. To form the present continuous in a negative form, we use the present form of the verbs to be am, is, and are, plus not, plus the base form of the verb, plus the ing. For example, I am not working. They are not working. It is not working. To form the present continuous in a question form, we use the present form of the verbs to be am, is, are, plus the subject, plus the base form of the verb, plus ing. For example, am I working? Are they working? Is it working? Stative verbs. Stative verbs describe a state rather than an action. They are not usually used in continuous tenses. These verbs often relate to thoughts, emotions, relationships, senses, states of being, and measurements. Take for example, I know the answer. She loves chocolate. This book belongs to me. It seems strange. Can you use the correct form? Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in the parentheses. Pause this video if you need more time to think. Good luck! Are you ready? Let's go! She likes to read books. They go to school by bus. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. I'm writing an email right now. The children are playing outside. He is fixing the car at the moment. How did you do? Did you get a perfect score? Awesome! If not to worry, just keep practicing. On the next episode, we will discuss the past tense on Mastering IELTS Expert Grammar. Thank you for watching.